What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So we have our second update on the Revell 1969 Camaro, and well, in this video we just got the chassis done, so I figured let's just show you this and show what we did to it. So it's a nice basic chassis. Actually not basic, it's actually very detailed chassis, and I built this kit a while ago, as you remember I told you, and you know, kind of know what to expect, but this one is much better than my first one, of course. But yeah, we got outclad aluminum in there. We did some burnt metal effect on there, so you can kind of see a little tintage on the exhaust. Really cool. Then we got our gloss black on the axles and stuff, because that's what it called for. And I looked up pictures of the real thing, and that's how they were. The chassis is like a flat black, and yeah, the axle and stuff is like in a gloss black. So very cool. We had our brake lines in there, and then there was molded in brake lines. And I absolutely did not feel like sanding those out and making, you know, actual wire ones, so I just highlighted them in silver, and then we did actual wire for it up here. So, but yeah, the molded ones are pretty decent, and they look pretty nice. So it looks really good. And yeah, so we just have to connect our exhaust to our manifolds, so we still gotta do that, but not too big a deal. We got some yellow on the shock springs, so it looks good. Here's the front end, the engine. We got a big block in here, and a lot of you probably wondering why did I say this big block this kit comes with, or the car comes with. I meant a small block. I was kind of on the edge when I did that video, and yeah, but we did a big block. I think I said big block because I was initially going to put a big block in this, because the Camaros come with small block, but I want to put a big block in this just for a upgrade, and it looks really good. Got a Hemi, it's Chevy orange, Chevy reddish orangish, and we got all wired and stuff. So it looks really good. We got a battery in there. Then yeah, very nice. We still got to put a black lid on that windshield washer fluid, but yeah, the engine fits perfect. I mean, it fit in there like a snug as a bug in a rug. I mean, it fits amazing. The stock drive shaft connected to the axle, so really nice. But yeah, really good chassis, and the engine I chose for it looks really good. So, and some of you were actually pretty pissed off when I said this kit comes with a big block. I mean, geez, I'm a human. Everybody makes mistakes, and two of you especially got really pissed off for some reason. So, damn. So yeah, that's kind of rude, but I don't care. But here's the body. We'll show the body off, and it looks really good. We got this beautiful purple. This is a velvet color. It's not a candy velvet, it's just a velvet metallic, and it looks so good. I don't think we have to do any wetting on this. I think this clear coat turned out amazing, which is actually quite surprising, because sometimes a lot of times I'll just get pivots in the clear coat, and you know, but this paint job actually turned out really good. So now we just have to do a lot of bare metal foil. We're going to polish it. We're going to put wax on, wax off, like I always do. But we're going to have to do a lot of bare metal foil up here on the windshield, the back glass, and we're going to have to get some bare metal foil on the fenders here. So that's going to be fun, but yeah, we should get through it. But yeah, body looks really good, and this, yeah, the color looks really amazing. I absolutely love this color. And it really suits this car so well. I mean, it just looks really good. Then one last thing before I wrap this video up, we got our new wheels. I was initially gonna go with the kit ones, but one of you guys in the comments, I'll leave a comment on the screen, mentioned this guy made these new wheels or they're basically stock wheels, but better versions. They're open. So it looks really good. So we painted them in chrome. Nice tire, and we got some BF Goodrich lettering on there. Those are from Power Slide decals, and those are gonna look absolutely stunning under here. Yeah, look at that. That's gonna look really good. So yeah, really cool. So we got some nicer stock wheels. I mean, they're open, so really nice. So that's pretty much about it for this update. The next one will be the interior. Did not get anything on the interior. I'll show you. There's the interior. So that'll be next update. Probably just coming this weekend. So stay tuned to your channel. Just a quick one on the chassis. But yeah, really good. It's a really nice kit, and it's a very easy breezy kit to go through. But alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and until my next video, we'll catch you guys next time.